Jack Roberto update. Yung ganap ni Jack sa Coron, Palawan. Yung for medical mission. Yung kasama mga staff ng Generica Drugstore. Yung Generica Pharmacy. Yung nagkaroon din ng grand opening. And cutting ribbon with Jack Roberto. Yung kasama niya si Donna.
We are so excited to give you the pambansang out ng
Yun,
Pilipinas. Are you guys ready?
Bansang out, Jack Roberto.
We have our celebrity here, no other than Mr. Jack Roberto.
Yun.
Before we proceed,
Yan ang cutting ribbon with Jack Roberto. And
please hold on to your scissors
Generica
as we
Drugstore.
begin to cut the ribbon. On my view,
Yung medical mission. Nasa Coron, Palawan, yung group picture sila. Bagong bukas ng drugstore.
all our executives, please hold. Again, on one, two, hard.
Kasama rin mutya ng Coron. Ayan si Jack, oh. Jack Roberto in the house in Coron, Palawan. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell kung na-update po ang future action vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.